This is one of the greatest opportunities being handed to small content creators in a long time, and you don't really have to do anything different about it. My name is Alan. This is Creative Fuel, and this is the place where we help you realize that your next viral video is closer than you think. I've been doing YouTube on and off for about 15 years, and other than the grey hairs to prove it, I also have some silver play buttons as well. When I first started uploading a video, felt like putting it out there and begging for some form of engagement. Whereas nowadays, the YouTube platform goes out of its way to try and help you as much as possible. No, Barry, the YouTube algorithm is not against you. You haven't been shadow banned. It's just, if you're not making good content and you're not angling it at the right audience for you and the people that watch your content, then they won't find you. But the YouTube algorithm has been going through a little bit of a change in the last 2-3 years. We all know this format, you know, the landscape videos that everybody's been making for years. Then, out of nowhere, TikTok started to dominate the short form, short attention span market, and YouTube jumped in on this and decided to start making YouTube Shorts. Now, when YouTube Shorts first started, the problem was they were divorced from the main algorithm, mainly because everyone started watching YouTube Shorts more often, and then it started promoting only YouTube Shorts. So YouTube disconnected the bridge until they could figure out how you could watch short form content and have long form content recommended, or watch long form content and have short form content recommended. Over the last 18 months, they've mastered this. You can watch multiple short form content, go to your main feed, your homepage. You'll notice that the more horizontal based content is being promoted now. And on top of that now, YouTube has changed the way that YouTube Shorts will be calculated. YouTube Shorts used to work that every time you flipped past it, you'd have to watch it for a period of time before it counted as a view. So if you were scrolling through 1,000 videos and you stopped on one, that was one view. Now, if you scroll through 1,000 videos, that's 1,000 views for the YouTube platform, whether you engage with the video or not. But Alan, how is that a good thing? Well, it now means that if they truly engage, it triggers the algorithm to start recommending your landscape content. But also, it now helps smaller creators boost that view ratio that they need to get for monetization. Traditionally, you needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million YouTube short views. With this whole flicking through process and no minimum watch time, those views on these YouTube shorts are now being calculated the same way that TikTok views are, and therefore starts pumping those views, which can help you get monetized quicker, but also helps the YouTube algorithm understand who truly is holding people's attention when they stop to watch that short. And when they watch that short, it tries to bombard them with your evergreen content, your landscape, wonderful depictions that, you know, you sat there with your monkey, your cat, and your dog wearing glasses. This is a huge update that people are just glazing over. So please make sure that you have a good video with a fantastic title, amazing descriptions that you can get from us here at Creative Fuel. But remember to complement them with YouTube Shorts videos that can help promote your entire channel.